Hi guys, today we are reading Bluey. This is Bluey. Be free, my animal friends. She lives with her mom, dad, and little sister, Bingo. She loves dressing up as a greedy queen. You can't hide from me, dearie, or a boss, or a ninja. Sometimes she wishes she was a fruit bat, so she wouldn't have to go to bed. Bluey loves having fun with her friends. Let's play bus drivers. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe down below. See you next time. And please comment what should I do on my next video. Okay, bye guys.